Hello and welcome to this session on Docker image management. We're going to learn about Docker image. What is Docker image? How to find high quality Docker image? How to download Docker image? How to get Docker image detail? How to delete Docker image? What is a Docker image? A Docker image is a read-only template which used to create and run Docker container on Docker platform. The template provides convenient way to package up application and pre-configured server environment. How to find high quality Docker image? 4 key things we need to think about. Download quantity, last update time, starts, official image. JT Docker image is a high quality Docker image. I will show you the 4 key things for the image. Let me log in the Docker Hub. If you do not have an account yet, please create one because Docker push command need to log in Docker Hub. And we'll use the command in the future session. Search JT. JT is a popular Java web container. Official image means you can trust it. Download quantity 10 million. That means a lot of people download and use it. And then starts. If I like the image, I can add start to it. Last update time. Yesterday, someone updated the image. With available tags has Docker put command and all available Docker image version. I can copy the Docker put command and image version to my local and run. There is a Docker file link. The Docker file is a good resource to study how to write a Docker file for green hand. The command I will introduce in the future class. Don't worry about now. How to download Docker image? I can use Docker pull command. Let me open my terminal. Docker image minor help will give you the detail of the Docker image command. All these options and I will show you now. Clear screen. How to download the Docker image? I can use the Docker pull command and image name and a tag to download the Docker image from Docker Hub. The image is JT. Tag is 9.4.34 minor GRE8. Download complete. All download image cached in your local Docker engine. If I try download again, this time will be quick because Docker engine find the local cached JT image. Docker engine doesn't need to talk Docker Hub to download again. If you want to check local image, you can run Docker image ls. How to get Docker image detail? Docker image inspect and image name and tag. The command give you image detail. Repo text has 2 parts, image name and tag. Create time. Container environment variable. I see there are entry point and command. Entry point static part of the container start. CMD, provide user input parameter. I will give you the detail and how to use these two parts in the future session. Clear my screen. How to delete a Docker image. Docker image RM and image name can delete specified image. Image delete successfully. Let's verify. We deleted JT. Tag is for 9.4.31. There is not JT 9.4.31 anymore. I can use Docker image ls to verify delete result. Also, if I run Docker image pull, can delete all unused Docker image. You can search Docker image, use Docker search, or directly use the Docker Hub website. Docker image build and Docker push. There are two commands. I will give you detail in the future session. I hope now you can use a Docker image basic command in your project. I will see you in the next episode of Docker.